places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bus stops, they turn into hours spent rambling on.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my winter / Christmas whole room tour. Now, I took so much time decorating my room and I actually filmed it all and then the footage deleted. So I don't have that, but I am going to now do my whole entire room tour. I will have everything linked down below and I will show you guys where everything is from. I'm so sorry, I'm so sad that the footage deleted. I was literally gonna redo it, but then I was like, I'm just gonna be in a bad mood now just because of my footage all deleted, so I'm just going to do a room tour instead, even though I was going to do both videos anyway. But I do apologize about that. I do have a Christmas shopping vlog up, so if you want to see that, I will have it linked down below. And with all that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and leave me a comment down below giving me more ideas on what you guys want to see this Vlogmas season and just in general. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so when you walk into my room, this is the first thing you see. I literally love this counter so much, even though it's not a counter, it's a dresser. But I love how it looks, and I literally got everything from Target. So the first thing I have is just my TV. It is a Samsung TV from, I don't remember where, but it is from the brand Samsung. And then I am going to come over here, and I have this little truck, which I absolutely love. It is from Target, and I don't know, I just thought it added a lot. I was going for like a white / rose gold aesthetic on this little counter. And then I have this candle. This candle is called Christmas Velvet. It smells so good, and actually there's sparkles in it from my Christmas shopping vlog video. If you haven't watched that, I'll have it linked down below, but that is what this little section looks like. And then I have these little lights that I got from Target. I just taped them to the back of my dresser to make them stay. And then I have this little TV box and my little Christmas section on top. So this Better Not Pout little thing is from Target, but it's from last year. And then I have these little Christmas trees. These sparkles get everywhere, so if you are going to get them, beware that they get everywhere, aka in this candle. But I really like it, and I think it adds a lot to my room. And then over here I just have the other part of the lights, and then I have this little Christmas tree, which is actually from Target, and it does light up, but I didn't put batteries in it yet, sorry guys. And then I have this candle as well, and it is called Cashmere Cinnamon, and it smells so good, and I absolutely love it. So that's everything in my dresser. I think it looks pretty good. And then I have my drawers. So for my drawers, I have my leggings drawer. So I have a lot of black leggings because of work. I need them for work, and then I have my workout leggings in here as well. Then over here I have my sweatpants drawer. So I have all my joggers. I have some from Fabletics, some from Pink, and some from Garage. I love this drawer because I love joggers. Then in this drawer down here, it doesn't really open, but I have more sweatpants, and then I have some t-shirts. This is just my pajama drawer. I'm showing you guys what's in my drawers because I know a lot of you like that, but they are kind of messy. So then over here I have my shorts drawer. This one is probably the cleanest one you'll see. So I have my jean shorts. In this drawer I have basically shirts that I wear occasionally but not that often. So I have my t-shirts and then some long sleeve shirts that I just didn't have a place to put in my other drawer for. And then in this drawer I have my Nike Pros, and my sports bras are over here, even though you guys can't really see that. So that's what this drawer is. So that's everything in this dresser. I really like this dresser mainly just for the top part. At night it looks really pretty too. So in my winter night routine you guys will see that. Then coming over here I have my little desk area. So I used to have green leaves up there, but they kept falling down, so I just took them down because I was getting frustrated. But I like how my desk turned out as well. So coming over here up on the wall I just have some pictures which are from someone's Etsy. I got this when I was redoing my room and I absolutely love them. Then moving down here I have more of a Christmas theme. So I have this little pencil holder holder from Target. I really like it, and your phone could also go on top, which is really nice. And then I have this Christmas tree. It is gold and it's from last year, but I thought it looked really good in my room still, so I put it right there. Then I have my crystals. I know some people don't like crystals, but I personally do, and I just thought they looked cute there. Then I have obviously my little lights, and I did the same thing here. They're attached to an extension cord and they are taped to the back of the dresser or desk. Then I have my computer because obviously I need my computer on my desk. Then over here, I have my Swarovski little flower and mirror, which my grandma got me. And then I have this little diffuser. It's called Gingerbread Spice. It smells so good. It's not even funny. I literally love it. Then coming over here is my whole entire desk. So this little stocking I thought just looked cute there. It's just a little S stocking from Target. And this little chair I think is from Marshall's, I believe. I'm not positive, but I'm almost positive, but I'm not positive, if that makes sense. So then in this drawer, I just have my school supplies. So I have some tape, Lauren Doan's today to do little journal, and then all of my other school supplies, which I really like. This drawer is probably the neatest drawer I have, including clothes, just because I use it so much that I make sure it's always neat. All right, and then this drawer down here is filled with all my fall stuff and extra tape right now, just because I know where to put it. And then this drawer down here is actually filled with extra makeup that I had, again, because I had nowhere to put it and it didn't fit in my vanity. And then coming over here, so in this drawer, I just have my iPad and its Apple Pencil, and then a water bottle that I use occasionally, and that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for my desk area. I really like it, and again, I think it looks really cute yet simple. And then just over here, I have a little wall organizer that I still do not hang up, and a whiteboard that I still do not hang up also from my room transformation video, but hopefully I'll do that soon. Then I have my little garbage can. Obviously, it's just the garbage can that I need. Then coming over here, I have my mirror. This is just a full-length mirror. It's from Amazon, and it actually opens and has jewelry inside, so I will show you guys that in a minute. And then on the wall behind it, I have a wall collage. I thought it looked really pretty, and these pictures are from someone's Etsy. I really like them, and I actually got this idea from Julia K. Christ. I saw she put them behind her mirror and it looked really good, so credit to her for that. So like I said, the mirror does open, so this is what my jewelry looks like. I just have my necklaces here, and then I have some bracelets. Usually I have my earrings here, but I lost like all my earrings, so other than this one, there is no earrings right now, other than my butterfly ones that are just not at my house right now. And then I just have some more bracelets and necklaces down here. So I think it's cool that you can actually just put everything in the mirror, and it's actually a jewelry holder as well. So now coming over here, I just have my bed, and the comforter on it is from Urban Outfitters, as well as the white pillows behind the snowman pillow. Those are from Urban Outfitters as well. Then I have a snowman pillow, which is from Target, and a Merry pillow, which is also from Target. The snowman one I got last year, and the Merry one I got this year. Then coming up here, I just have these little drapes on my curtains. I don't remember where they're from, but they're really pretty, and I think they add a lot to my room. So that is what my bed area looks like. Then coming over here, I have my little nightstand. So I have this little flower, which my grandpa made me, and he used to do stained glass, so that's where I got this from. Then I have this snow globe from 2019. I love this snow globe so much. It's just so pretty. Then over here, I have my rose gold Christmas tree, which I absolutely love. I think it's so cute and adds a lot to my room. And then I have this little pot, which is from Target. I got it during the fall time, and then I just added some Christmas little themed little flowers. So I have this like snow tipped little tree leaf, then I have these like gold little leaves, and then whatever you want to call these. I don't know, I think it looks cute all together, so picked that up from Target as well. Then over here I have a little sign that says have yourself a merry little Christmas from Target. I love this sign so much, and it was only $10, so when I saw it I was like, oh my gosh, I need this, it's so cute. So I picked it up, and I'm so happy I did because I think it adds a lot to my room. Then coming down here, I just have my laundry hamper. This laundry hamper is from Target as well, and it's not the best because it's kind of very small, but it does the job, I guess. Then I have my photo wall. This photo wall is from last year, and it's from the Tezza collage kit. I absolutely love it, and none of the pictures have ever fallen down, so that is always a plus. Then coming over to my vanity. My vanity is from, I have no idea, I don't remember, but it's really nice. I actually put it together within like an hour, so it wasn't that bad, and I really like it. So on the top of my vanity, I just have this Christmas tree. It actually does light up, but the button is like behind it, so I'd never put it on just because I'm lazy, but it's really cute, and I think it's cute without the light as well. Then down here, I just have my scrunchies. I love this little thing. I love scrunchies so much, so I just love having this here. Then this thing actually opens, so in here I just have all my nail polishes. I don't really do my nails at home anymore. I go actually to the nail salon, but during quarantine I just grabbed those and put them in there as well. Then I have my Chanel perfume that my grandma got me for Christmas that I'm so thankful for. Then I have this little candle that has been here for such a long time. And then I have this thing from Target. It just says fresh cut trees, 25 cents. It's like a Christmas decor item. And then I have another diffuser that is actually running out, but it still looks aesthetic, so I left it in my room. Then in here I just have more hair products. So I have some scrunchies, some clips, and also some regular hair ties. Then in this drawer, it's kind of a mess right now because I just threw everything in here, so that does not look nice. Okay, so I have some clips. These are actually from a dance store. Then I have some glasses, which are from Princess Polly. I have some more hair clips and just some other makeup that I have as well. And then I also just have this little bench. It actually came with the vanity, so that was something I was very thankful for because it was like 2 in the price of 1. Then I have my Christmas tree. So my Christmas tree is from Target. It's very small, but I love it, and I think it adds so much to the Christmas feel of my room. So I have garland on it. That little garland is from Target, and then the tree skirt as well is from Target. Then coming over here, I have my closet. So on my closet, I have this little garland. So I have a Merry Christmas garland and a little snowball garland as well. So for this, a lot of people ask me how I open my closet. It's very annoying. I take it down and then put it back up. And then I have this little stocking from Target as well, which I got last year, and I don't know, I think it's cute. Then I have my LED lights. So those are from Amazon, and I know it ends there and it looks kind of bad. I just never got more to fix it. Then I have this little section over here. So because it is only November, that's why it says 25 days till Christmas, but I think it looks really cute, so I'm so excited about it. The 2 reindeer, so this one and that one, are from Target, but I got it last year. And then I just have some plants, which are also from Target, and this little bowl, which has ornaments in it and some like twinkle lights, which I think is really cute. And I was going for like a rose gold and white and pink aesthetic, so I love that. And then I have this little shelf. It's a rose gold metal shelf with a piece of wood, and it just has a candle and a plant from Target. The last thing I have in my room is this huge dresser. So I'm not going to open this part just because it's very messy, but in this little drawer I just have all my shirts. So these are just my long sleeve shirts and some of my work clothes. Then in the next drawer, I have some of my jeans. So this drawer is actually folded, which is amazing. So I have my regular jeans, my ripped jeans, my mom jeans, I believe these are. And then these are like my black jeans, my white jeans, my green jeans, and everything like that. Then in this drawer, I just have a lot of sweatshirts. A lot of them are actually in the wash right now, but I have People's merch that I got, and then regular sweatshirts and sweatshirts from my school. So that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys liked it and what other content you want to see from me, and let me know what your favorite piece of this haul was because I'm interested, and let me know what your favorite thing of my new decorated room is. Again, I'm sorry that I lost the footage. I am so upset about it, you guys don't even know, but I will maybe do a video about decorating my big Christmas tree, which is downstairs in my house. So whenever we put that up, I will maybe film that if my mom is okay with being on camera, because sometimes she doesn't like being on camera. But with all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!